Hello everyone. In this video, we have to find the value of x for the given equation e power x minus e power minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's move towards the solution. We can write this given equation as e power x minus, since the exponent in this term is negative, so we can write it as 1 over e power x minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now multiplying this whole equation by e power x, we will get e power x into e power x minus 1 and minus e power x is equal to 0, which can be written as e power x into e power x, that is e power 2x minus e power x, we have just rearranged the terms and it is equal to 0. Now it can be written as e power 2x can be written as e power x whole square minus e power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we let e power x is equal to t, then we have t square minus t minus 1, that is equal to 0. This equation is quadratic in t, so we can use the quadratic formula, famous quadratic formula for the equation. If we have equation ax plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then according to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root whole divided by 2a. So according to this formula, t is equal to minus b minus b is minus 1 plus minus b square, that is minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1 under root whole divided by 2 into 1. So this t is equal to minus minus plus minus 1 plus 4 under root over 2, or t is equal to 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. So here we can divide it into two ways. T first value is plus, another is with minus. So t is equal to, we have two values. First one is 1 plus under root 5 over 2, while the other is 1 minus under root 5 over 2. Now again substituting what the t is, so t is equal to e power x. So from here we have e power x is equal to 1 plus under root 5 whole divided by 2, and e power x is equal to 1 minus under root 5 whole divided by 2. So if we take natural log on both sides, we will have natural log of e power x, that is equal to natural log of 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2, and from here from this term natural log of e power x, that is equal to natural log of 1 minus under root 5 over 2. So this is equal to x, since e and natural log will cancel out, and this is equal to natural log of 1 plus under root 5 over 2, and from here we have x is equal to natural log of 1 minus under root 5 over 2. If we see on this term 1 minus under root 5, so under root 5 has value more than 2 point something. So if we simplify this value, we will get this as a negative. And we know that argument of natural log can never be negative. So this value is not a valid answer. Only the value x is equal to natural log of 1 plus under root 5 whole divided by 2 is the answer, and this is the required value of x for which this equation is satisfied. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.